Greetings and welcome to another bead haul for Odin's Bead Haul. So, I got myself into a bit of trouble again, and I'm here to tell you that you might want to check out your local Michaels, and possibly AC Mar as well, because it seems they might not be carrying Swarovski any longer. A lot of trouble. See, Michaels was having their half-off clearance section, and what I paid turned out to be 75% off of clearance. So, for example, the lowest ticket price on a lot of these Cabochons was $3.47, but when they scanned up at the register, they were only 98 cents. That comes out to about 3 cents a bead. Well, not in this one, because this one has a fancier finish, but the 30 packs, it's 3 cents a bead. Like, what? You can't even get that online, even on Fire Mountain, or even on factory packs. And then these things blew my mind. These skulls, my favorite crystal skulls, they rang up for $2.50. These bitches are $9 a pop online. So, So, I spent too much money, and I'm showing you all this stuff, and hopefully you'll get a tip, and go to your craft stores and buy the rest of them out. There honestly wasn't a whole lot there by the time I got to it, but at the same time, I don't use too many different things, so I was just freaking excited. So I'm just gonna dig through this bag and see what we have in here, because I didn't really pay too much attention. Yeah, so this is an interesting color. This is Lilac Shadow, so I've never seen this color before. It kind of looked like, at first I thought it was like a half amethyst, half AB, but apparently it's, or half crystal. But apparently it's a special coating, so that's kind of cool. Bicones in Siam, because my obsession with red. So I've got red, another Lilac Shadow, more skulls! More skulls. Rivolis, these were only $1, so I grabbed a couple of 14s. I didn't grab them all, but I probably should have, but then again, I was on a budget. So I've got, actually I mostly got this. I got some jet, I got some not amethyst, aquamarine. What color is this? Fern green, I already have a metric fuck ton of these, but I bought more because reasons. Let's see. Jet, I think. Yeah, that's jet. So I got that jet. Crystal AB, more fern green, more jet rivolis, another skull. Another skull. Another skull. Some rose. I think this is regular rose. Yeah, this is rose. More fern green. Rose. A pack of 4 rivolis for $1 in crystal. Those are fantastic. So now I have like one set to make a big piece all by itself. Light rose, which I don't really know why I got pinks. Probably because I don't know why I got pinks. Another skull. Crystal AB rivolis. Crystal AB bicones. Ooh, this one's interesting. Light Siam satin. I actually have some of these in my collection, so it's nice to replenish those a little bit. More rose. More rose. More rose. More Siam satin. More rose. Peridot. Peridot. Another skull. More aqua rivolis. Nearing the bottom now. More aqua rivolis. One lonely pack of metallic blue AB2, or metallic blue 2X. Pink rivolis. More peridot. And these two, which are really cool, I got 2 of these spikes in Vitriol 18mm and 1 giant crystal AB in 18mm? That's not right. Lies. Oh, 28. I can read. No! I'm not full of shit. Okay. It says 18 there, but it says 28 there. So, whatever. I don't care. One's big, one's small. But, yeah, I now have some nice stash fillers to use, and which is good, because I actually was running out of crystals, especially reds. Now I have to figure out where the hell I'm putting everything, so this is fantastic. Next up I have a small haul on a commission, so this was recorded in the past, and it was just too small to really count for anything, so I didn't know where to put it. So I'm just gonna put it in front of this one, because this one was so small. And all I just want to say, let's see how many skulls I got. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 skulls. Okay. So yeah, I've got enough for like 3 pairs of earrings or 1 giant piece that's going to be full of skulls and magicalness. Awesome. Anyway, moving on to the next haul. And if you hear a very loud whirring, that is my machine trying to go to space, running away from its responsibilities while it's processing another video. So, that's what that is. So this is all stuff for a project. I was commissioned to do another one of my icebreaker pieces. This was done a long time ago, and I was commissioned to do it in these same colors. I've also done it in pastels. I'll put a picture because I really don't feel like digging it out because it's kind of tangled up in places, and it's in its nice hole, and it doesn't want to be disturbed from its hole. Anyway, I have this full necklace on Skillshare if you want to learn. And while I'm making this new one, I'm going to be working on making the PDF tutorials, so if that's more your shtick, that will be incoming sometime soon. But anyway, I'm making this piece, so it requires a lot of materials. So my first shop was from Aura Crystals, just because I like working with them. They're really cool. So I bought 3mm rounds in pearlescent white, and I bought a shit ton of them. 200 are in this packet. So, that'll cover me for a little bit with some extras. I got a shit ton of dark indigo 4mm, and I think I probably got more than I needed, but this color is really freaking pretty. So, having extras will be towards my benefit. And I also bought 288 3mm bicones, also in dark indigo, because this used a lot of them. And I think I bought extra, hopefully I bought extra, because I really like this color. But I'm seeing in this design, I use it pretty much everywhere, so I'm probably not going to have a lot of extra there. And then I bought rondelles. These are 6mm, yeah, 8x6mm. Ooh, we're going to space. We have left orbit. 8x6mm rondelles in dark indigo, and 6x4mm in dark indigo. So that is those. This color is really pretty, really rich. So that was all from Aura Crystals. I will leave links down below if you want to check them out too. I highly recommend it. Really fast shipping, and some fun stuff. Then I got a few staples from Art Beads. I bought pearls in night blue before I realized I had them in petrol, which is good. So I now have some night blue pearls that are extra for my collection. And it's a really subtle difference. One's a little lighter with more green tone, but you can really, like, these two side by side, you can barely tell the difference on those. Which I guess is okay, I just like the petrol better, and I'm very, very upset that they discontinued this color. And I got my Rivolis, I got the 18mm in the center in crystal, and I've got 4 in 14mm in crystal blue shade. So that is those. And then some findings for the clasp. I got a rose gold clasp because it's really hard to find rose gold clasps. I even checked Fire Mountain and decided I was going to buy one separately if they had some materials, but no. They didn't even have much of a selection either, so I have a lobster clasp. And I got some closed jump ring in order to stitch onto the piece so that it doesn't slip out. And a couple of open jump rings just to add as an extension for the clasp as well. So that is my finding stuff, and that was all I bought at Art Beads. So not a lot from there. And then finally Scarab beads, because I like my spikes. I needed to resupply my spikes, so I bought the 7x17s in the blue color here for the bottom drops, and the, let's see, 5x13s in this lovely Montana blue for the other side here, and some crescent beads in, I believe this is metallic dark blue suede, which is a really pretty color. But I've got that for my chain. This one used a lot of crescent beads. My chain there, and all around the bezels here. And then this I didn't buy for my commission. I just really wanted some stuff. So I got another set of vexillos. I got hematite vexillos because I wanted to try out that wrought iron bracelet that I just made. There's a link down below and a card up here for the tutorial if you would like to try that out, but I wanted to see what it looked like in like actual wrought iron colors, so I'm trying it out with hematite. And some diamond duos, because I love me some diamond duos. This is Jet Matte, which I looked at the picture and it looked a little bit more lighter, more gray, so I don't think I bought the right color, but oh well, it's not like I won't use these. I bought a big pack, 3x60 pieces, that is math, 180 pieces of diamond duos. I'll have to see which color I was actually thinking. I was thinking of like a shark skin kind of color, but yes, that is what I got for this commission. So, be sure you check on Skillshare if you want to learn how to make this giant necklace. And I will probably have links to my pattern shops if you want to look forward to this, because if you're watching this in the future and I have finished the PDF pattern, I probably will have it linked down below. So I think that will do it from me. Be sure to like up this video and subscribe if you want to see more bullshit from me. Check out my other jewelry shenanigans and the other methods that I humiliate myself on the internet. I do more than just jewelry. Check me out on all other social medias, and check out my sci-fi writing blog. All pertinent links will be down below. Thank you all so much for joining me, and of course, if there's anything I need to be trying out right now, feel free to let me know down below, and I will see you next time.